Hi, this is Dr. Kolodenker, and we'll go over the excision of a soft tissue mass on the bottom of the foot. So due to the redundant skin, it's a good idea to remove excessive amount of tissue. Again, try not to take too much redundant skin. You can always take more later if you're not sure on just how to measure. So do the tooth ellipses. The goal with these procedures is to not puncture the actual mass, so you don't release the fluid, you don't release whatever is inside. At some point in this video we will cut into the mass and see just what's inside this thing. It's been present for several years, come out of nowhere. This is a benign lesion, meaning it's not spreading anywhere, it's just localized to the area. Kind of looks like a golf ball. It really is this shiny bright. So this extra skin is going to be removed. Taking care not to touch the good skin. Don't pull on it too much. Be careful with the skin edges. I would not recommend watching this video if you're about to eat. If you have a light stomach for these sort of things. So once you start undermining, the mass really just starts to come out on its own. Be careful not to squeeze it too hard and get to the adherent layer that's deep in the mass and start going around it. Luckily this one is very well encapsulated, so you just remove the entire capsule and any abnormal tissue. You'll typically have a blood vessel that feeds it as well, and you'll see us using a cautery for the blood vessel. After you remove the mass, you're going to irrigate and close with whatever way you do it. I usually do a monocryl and nylon, some steri strips. This is the cautery to burn off the blood supply. That way there's no chance of this thing coming back. We can never guarantee 100%, but you really want to make sure you get the blood supply. So let's see what's inside here. It's like the consistency of mashed potatoes.